Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the host on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So now after that you have logged in into your account, all you need to do now is to go to the research bar, or you can just see in the suggestion page, you will find here all these trips here. And all these trips are some hostings. And basically those are the hosts of these trips, and all you need to know is to find or to see like the destination. So basically you will need just to specify things like the destination, the check-in dates, and the checkout date, and then you can add the number of guests if you want. And after that you will find the list of destinations or a list of guests that you a list of hosts that you can find on the destination that you have just selected. And by that you will find too many hosts, and all you need to do now is to click on any trip or host and then click on reserve, and then you continue your reservation, and by that you can find the host that you want. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.